The following highlights some of the quality steps taken by Zolko Craft in the manufacturing process of its products. The master part is fared to have a convex profile across the top to prevent the final part from bowing inwards. The mold is laminated with a rigid wood frame on the backside to ensure it does not twist with storage and age. Molds are coated with a semi-permanent release coating, which has the lowest wax transfer onto the part, reducing prep work and the potential for contamination. We have formulated our own blend of gel coat. This formulation creates a surface that is less prone to cracking and outperforms traditional gel coat. It also allows us to brush on the gel coat for a more consistent thickness and reduces VOC emissions. After the first layer of gel coat cures, a second layer of gel coat is applied to the mold. As the gel coat cures, a fan is used to help evacuate styrene, which reduces porosity. All parts are made using hand-laid fiberglass as opposed to chopper gun application. This process improves the part's strength to weight ratio by reducing the amount of resin used in the part. It also reduces VOC emission due to the absence of spraying resin. Scrap fiberglass is resold to customers to reduce waste. The parts sit in the mold for 2 days to ensure that they are fully cured and prevent warping. After we grind the flashing off the edges, a board file is used to make them straight. Round corners are finished using an angle grinder with a drum sander attachment. All sharp edges are rounded over using sandpaper to reduce chipping and create a nice finished edge. The back of the scoop is painted black using an HVLP gun. All boxes are custom made out of a sheet of cardboard to improve shipping rates. Reinforced cardboard inserts are made to go around the inside perimeter of the box to reduce freight damage. A tight inventory system is in place, and any products that are actively listed are in stock and ready to ship out the next business day.